Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to log out of your X account. Without any further ado, we're getting right into our video. The first thing that we're going to do is open our X application. Once you open your X application, you'll be on the very first page, and from the home page you can see a profile icon located on the top left hand side corner. Tap on it. And after tapping on it, here you can see various options. On the very end, there is option settings and privacy followed by help center. Tap on settings and privacy. Once you tap on settings and privacy on the very beginning, you can see option your account. Here you'll have to tap on it. After tapping on your account, there are about 4 options that are account information, change your password, and so on. Tap on the first option, account information. And once you tap on the account information here, as you can see, and on the very end written in red letters, you can see log out. From here you'll have to simply tap on log out, and there will be a notification pop up where it is said that logging out will remove all X data from this device. If you're sure enough, tap on log out. And just like that, here as you can see, you have successfully logged out of your X account. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.